Hello you guys and welcome. For this project I'm using this 24/7 cotton. It is a weight 4 yarn, but I do think it's kind of on the skinnier end of the weight 4 yarn, so I wouldn't use a bulkier one. I'm also using a 5mm hook. We'll first start with a slip knot and put our yarn on our hook. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will slip stitch into the first chain we made and single crochet, chain 1, sorry. So a lot of people like to chain 2 or 3 and have that be their first double crochet. I really don't like doing that. I don't like the way the chains look. So I like to just chain 1, and then I always have enough room to just go in and make my first double crochet, and you can't even really tell if the chain is there when it's all done. So that was our first double crochet. We're going to do 15 more for a total of 16 double crochets. So I just finished this round. We're going to slip stitch into our first double crochet we made. But before I complete my slip stitch, I am going to change colors. I like to take my new color and my starting color and pull through both with both. I just think it secures it a little bit more. And cut my pink. Take my blue string and chain 1, and I'm going to go right back into this stitch and do a double crochet. I'll then chain 1 and go right into the next stitch and do another double crochet. Chain 1. We're not skipping any stitches. Double crochet in the next. And we'll do that all around. One chain, and then a double crochet right in the next stitch. And I will meet you right back here. And here we are. Before I complete this, we're going to slip stitch into our first double crochet, and before I complete it I will be changing colors again. I'll then chain 1, get that tight, and in this we're going to do 1 double crochet. We're going to do 1 more as well in this same chain 1 space. And then in this double crochet, we'll make 1 double crochet. In this chain 1 space, we're going to make 2 double crochets. And we'll follow that pattern all along. So in this double crochet, we'll do 1. And then in the chain 1 spaces, we do 2 double crochets. And we'll do that all around. I'll meet you back here. I'm now making my last double crochet. And I will not be changing colors this round. I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet we made and chaining 1. Into this stitch, we're going to go in and make 1 single crochet. We'll then chain 5. We're then going to go into the 3rd stitch, so skip 1, skip 2, and single crochet into this 3rd one. This will be our corner. The chain 5s will be our corners. We're then going to chain 3, skip 2, and single crochet into the 3rd. Chain 3 again, skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the 3rd again, and one more time, 3 chains and single crochet into the 3rd. We're going to make another corner, so chain 5. We'll then skip 2 and single crochet into the 3rd. And we'll continue that on all sides. So we'll chain 3, skip 2, and single crochet into the 3rd. Chain 3 more, skip 2, single crochet into the 3rd. Chain 3 more, skip 2, and single crochet into the 3rd, and we're back at a corner. So we'll chain 5, skip 2, and single crochet into the 3rd, and continue that all around. I'll meet you back here. And here we are at the end. As you can see, I have 2 stitches left, which is perfect because we're going to do our last chain 3. I had just enough yarn, can you believe that? And I'm going to slip stitch into the first single crochet we made. And for this row, I will be changing colors before I complete this. For this next row, we're going to slip stitch into our chain 5 space right here. So going in and pulling through. We're going to chain 1 and do 5 double crochets in this chain 5 space. We'll then chain 3 and do 5 more double crochets in this chain 5 space. In every chain 5 space, we're going to do this exact same. So 5 double crochets, a chain 3, and then 5 more. In the next space, we're going to do 1 single crochet. Just 1. And you'll do this in every space after this corner. You'll just do 1 single crochet. Then In the next chain 3 space, we're going to do 7 double crochets. In the next chain 3 space, and in the next space, 1 single crochet. We're back at our corner. We'll do the same thing, 5 double crochets, a chain 3, and 5 double crochets. And then we'll do the 1 single crochet, 7 double crochets, 1 single crochet, and then we're back at another chain 5 space. And so you'll do that for every side, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, we just finished this row. It looks so pretty. We're going to do our slip stitch into our first double crochet that we made. And I'm not changing colors. Chain 1. We're then going to do a double crochet in that same stitch that we slip stitched in. And then chain 5. We're going to single crochet into this 3 chain. Chain 3. And single crochet in that corner once more. We'll then chain 5, and then in this single crochet we made right here, we're going to skip all of these and we're going to do 1 double crochet into this single crochet. Oops. Sorry. Then we will chain 3. We have all these 7 double crochets. We're going to go into the middle 4th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have 3 on the side. And in that 4th one, we're going to do 1 single crochet. Okay. We'll then chain 3, and double crochet into this single crochet. We'll then chain 5, and single crochet into our corner space again, chain 3, and chain once, single crochet once more into that chain 3 space. We'll chain 5, double crochet into this little single crochet, skipping all of these. Sorry, I keep getting twisted when I go to that to do that. I lose it. Okay. And then we'll chain 3. We're back at this 7 double crochet spot, so we're going to skip 3 and go into that 4th a double crochet and do a single crochet in it. We're back here again. We'll chain 3 and double crochet into that little single crochet. Chain 5. And we're back at the corner. We'll single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet into that once more. And we'll follow this same pattern all around, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, you guys, I just made it all around. We'll be slip stitching into that first single crochet we made down here, and I will be changing colors one last time. This is our last row. For this next round, I already chained 1. I'll be making 5 half double crochets in this chain 5 space. So yarning over, going in, and pulling through all 3 loops. And I'll do that 5 times in this chain 5 space. Once we complete these 5 half double crochets in this little chain space that we have for the corner, we're going to do 3 half double crochets, chain 2, and 3 half double crochets. So 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and 3 more in that same space. Okay, and then we're back here at another chain 5 space. We're going to do 5 half double crochets in there. I'm going to cut these strings real quick. We're going to do 5 half double crochets in here. Okay, and then we're at a chain 3 space. We'll do 3 half double crochets in the chain 3 space. We're at another chain 3 space, so we'll do 3 more half double crochets. See? And we'll do that all around. So we're here at another chain 5 space, which means we will do 5 half double crochets. And we're back at a corner. We'll do 3 half double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more half double crochets, all in that same corner space. And we're going to keep this same pattern throughout this whole round. So it's pretty simple. Once you get to a chain 3 space, you do 3 half double crochets. If you get to a chain 5 space, you do 5 half double crochets. And for the corners, we do 3 half double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more, all in the same space. I'll see you at the end. Good job. We're going to slip stitch into our first half double crochet that we made. Chain 1, cut our string, and this completes our granny square.